Okay, what are you going to do a video about?
Bear boy.
Bear who?
Bear Prepper.
Okay, are we going to get to meet Bear Prepper?
Yeah.
Where are we going to go to meet Bear Prepper?
Far away from here.
Far away from here? What's the name of the place?
Joey Bear.
No, San Antonio.
San Antonio.
Are we going to have to take a long trip or a little trip? Look at Nana.
World trip.
A little trip?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited? Stop.
Yeah.
Are we going to stay in the hotel?
Yeah.
You think that's cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to get to play in the park?
Yeah.
Are you going to get to meet everybody?
Yeah.
And are you going to tell them who you are?
Yeah.
Who are you?
Jay and Blake Whitmire.
Alright. Is everybody going to remember you when they leave?
Yeah.
Yeah, why? 'Cause why? Look at Nana. Look at Nana. Why are they going to remember you?
'Cause they remember me. I was a real kid.
You were a little kid. Are you a prepper?
No.
You don't help Nana prep? Look at Nana. You don't help Nana prep?
No.
You don't make
No. Nothing.
nothing? You don't help Nana cut pears to make stuff?
Yep.
Okay, hold on. You gotta hold still. This is getting dark. What do you help Nana make?
Nothing.
Nothing? You don't help her make jelly?
No.
I think you did. You don't help her cut pears?
No.
You don't help her cut apples?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Okay, look at Nana.
Oh.
Look at Nana. Tell Bear, see you Saturday.
You the Saturday, Bear Saturday.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.